I'll be showing you how to do a handwritten text effect in Final Cut Pro. First, you have to get the basic title and put it in the timeline. Next, click above the clip in the timeline and go to the text option in the top right. Type what you want the text to say. You will need to get the size bigger and change the font to something that looks more like handwriting. I suggest something like brush script or handwriting that come with Final Cut. Then you'll need to get a draw mask from the Effects tab, drag it onto the clip and click on the viewer to add control points. Make sure to add a lot because you will have to cut out every letter. Now you have to rotoscope each letter. Make sure to add a keyframe for every frame or you might have to start over. Put another frame that looks the same between them to make it slower if you want. Now do this for the rest of the video and you'll practically be done. Once you're done with that, play through the video a couple times and make sure to fix anything that looks off and add a new keyframe. Now the video is finished and you can edit on top of any video.